Touched by Goddess. Touched by Goddess, we fall to bear her cross, though we know there was no any God before, and never will be. There is no end of her yearning, for every scripture lies for her. Every teacher preaches belief. We play for her this role, caught by her picture, not letting her die, keeping her divine lover still alive, even if she sensed at times that she is the one, all alone, guilty of each illusion in each and every word.